Hello YouTube. Okay, now we are starting where we left off previously. Now I will create one more folder named pages. Okay, now I will do ng generate module pages and routing. Okay, that's okay. Now it's been created. So inside pages there could be multiple pages, but we have only one page which I'm going to name home. So let's name it home. uh, but what I really want to do is I want to lazy load every page. It's my personal preference, so let's create a folder name home. Okay, and then create a module instead of component, which I already instead of C I already added M, so let's keep it that way. And I did wrong actually. I will delete this file again. Delete to recycle bin. So okay, so what I'm going to do is also add routing, because I also need routing. Great, now I have two files here. Now I'm going to create a component and just M, replace M with C, and I will create a component file inside the home directory. So okay, that's good. We are done with the creating this. So I think we are pretty much done with this one. Now we have to connect everything. So let's start with the app routing module TS. What I want is I want to load my component layout whenever we are at home, at root. So by means root is whenever I am going to be like in like if I give you like suppose whenever I am in this, whenever I press enter here, I don't think it's going to work. Okay, it's going to work, of course. Okay, that's good news. But whenever I click the enter here, I need to load that layout, not this app component. So for that I will leave the path empty, and make sure you spell the path right, and use the load children. Okay, which is the lazy load syntax. So what I am going to do, load children inside, I will this will be a function, and there you will import keyword key or function, whatever it is. Okay, so what I'm going to do is give it a layout module. This is already layout module, and then I will use the then function, though it will return a promise. And you can name anything. I will name the argument M and dot layout. It's wrong, it's layout. Okay, don't make the routing module, you have to use the layout module. Be careful about it. So okay, we are done. So what is line telling Angular, make sure use double quote single quotations for a TS link. It is for the code, for a code quality purpose. Just stick with this single quotations. So okay, um I have accidentally done that. Okay, great. So what I'm going to do now is, what is line telling Angular is whenever you add the root directory, just load the layout module. So we can go to layout module, and layout routing module, what it's going to say. uh, I just wait a minute. Yeah, I'm right. So layout routing module will also have to define some path, that where it want the root component to be shown. So on the path, what I'm going to do is I'm going component, right? All right, component, which component I want to show at the root. Of course I'm going to use the layout component, but for that I need to import this. So layout component to the layout component, and then here's a layout component, just paste there. But as I told you before that this component also have the children routes. So in order to define the children routes, you have to use load children, and I'm going to lazy load this one also. So this will be like that, and just the same syntax, import. Now I am going to use the pages module, okay, and use the then. After using the then, I'm going to uh, name object anything I like, just use m and just video. That's done. Now all the pages are going to be children of the layout component, and the layout component going to render it where it's marked the router outlet directive. Okay, so that's clear that it will come here and then it will render the outlet, and go to the pages module ts. Now the pages module ts also need to define where it will go when the root path will come. So I will just define this. The root will be layout loaded your children, which, which will be, again I need to use import, and which will be a home module, because of course we created a home module, and just use then. And after using a then, um, okay, we are using m again, and m dot home module. That's done here. It is done. So let's visit to the home module ts, routing module ts, and finally I will render the this one in the component home component. So yeah, it already auto imported that one for me. So great. Now in next video we are going to start copying and pasting our template. So stay tuned and like and subscribe my videos. Thank you. Have a nice evening or day. Bye.